YouTube.
We're back at a new adventure park today in Millsap. We got the OBS right there. I forgot the specs on it. The Exploder. And we got my Raptor here today. What we gonna hit first?
I guess we gotta check out the trails first. We gotta open up Onyx.
All right. So we're gonna be scanning that right there. Yep. Do that, and we'll get back with y'all.
Deuces. That don't sound too good. I think it's just not idle control valve.
It's like trying to, you hear the suction noise.
Yeah.
Pop the air filter out?
No, I don't think it's that. I think it's the actual idle air control. Try to disconnect it right now. But can you crank it?
Like the accelerator?
There's a little button on the.
Just press it.
See that? Yeah, press that.
Clutch and brake or no?
No. You're good.
Hold on.
Some on the trail troubleshooting.
Fuel pump relay.
Hold on. Bro. It is.
AC. Oh, that one's hot. Oh, wait, that shit pretty big. This one's on
We're back off.
Oh, it's hot.
I don't want to. Check this out.
Good. Honestly, the relay might be overheating. I wouldn't be surprised.
Want to plug it back in?
What's up?
Plug that thing back in?
You think they need a spot? And a 4Runner.
Back here? Is it injected?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, never mind.
Definitely fuel injection.
Probably the pedal's not going to be.
Disconnect the mass airflow. Maybe it's clogged. Should be fine. I'm about to take the filter out.
That's the situation. What's going on here, Jose?
I'm checking the fuses right now, making sure I don't have a burnt fuse.
Combobulator's broken.
Combobulator's broken?
Combobulator's broken. We gotta get a new
What you snacking
combobulator.
on?
Some Lunchables.
That shit bust.
That's alright. Cheese not drippy though.
Should've gotten a lunch meat.
Go girl.
The cheese all drippy.
It's good. It's good.
Mechanic hard at work.
All the fuses are good. Except I'm not getting anything to the fuel pump. Did I turn the ignition?
You want me to run it?
No, it's okay. I'll just turn the ignition on. See if I'm getting any power to the fuel pump relay.
Ooh. Trying to take me out. Yeah, got all my shit dusty.
I was breathing so much dust from all the shit your truck was kicking around.
That's weird.
Reading anything?
He's gonna record and fixing it for the next hour.
Content.
Speed run with the do.
I should put this on time lapse.
For real. Put that one music over it a little bit. Do. Oh, no, you know the chicken run one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, good idea. I'll put this on time lapse. Alright, Mr. Jose, what we doing now?
Fuck, I don't know.
Shit, just
At
connecting
this point-
random shit.
Yeah, at this point I'm gonna connect, maybe bring some light to the other one. Yeah, let's do it. We're in the same boat. Is the ignition on?
Hopefully this starts.
power is fucked?
I don't think so. Smack it. I just think the power's the starter now. We might have killed the we might have killed the fuse for the starter.
Over there?
Well, actually, it doesn't have a fuse. It's not a power issue.
I was gonna say, you don't have a little battery tester?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. Well, I guess we're good on this. No need this. The
I might. We'll leave it for now,
okay.
just to make sure it's not. That's good. Maybe step it that way a little bit. It's weird. It's not getting any power to the starter. Not to lay on the dirt. Check that out. Where's the tester?
I gotta throw your nice pants down.
What's up?
I gotta throw your nice pants down.
Fuck yeah, let's do that. Damn it, Henry, what'd you do with the tester now?
Oh, I swear it was back there.
Is it on the ground again?
Is it in the front seat again?
I saw it right here. Hold on, let me show something in my pocket. It is not in my pocket.
That's it.
You should start keeping the tester in your pocket, man.
We found it.
Found it.
Oh, fuck me.
Also, I was right.
Oh yeah, you can get dirty.
That's fine. Now it's a little hot, but it shouldn't be too bad.
Maybe it needs a time lapse video. Maybe you'll fix it faster. Well, while they're troubleshooting over there, let's go over here and see some strangers trying to make this crossing.
I think they got it.
Yeah, I got this.
Gotta roll down and turn left.
Gotta get out the way.
Driver.
Nice.
They made it. And they didn't get stuck.
Oh, where'd the others go?
I'm gonna get my handheld back out. You're good. Make it look too easy, Mike. I know. Everybody else, turn driver. Everybody else is struggling.
get back to see what's going on.
Well, maybe there's some corrosion here that's not letting it start.
Any updates?
Well, I'm not getting any power to the starter anymore right now.
Oh shit, there's no power to the starter?
Yeah.
Damn.
So I'm gonna check right here, see if maybe there's just too much corrosion or maybe it came loose. Yeah, it looks very loose.
Okay.
And then I can, I have a new terminal there. Looks like shit. Looks definitely loose.
Got some rescue on the way. Oh, we got some rescue here. What you thinking, Jose?
I'm hoping it starts. Yeah, it's doing great. It went through this little section over here perfectly, and I decided to turn it off, park it, and didn't turn it back on.
Yeah, that's what I get you every time. Oh, we'll just take a break for a minute. What year is this thing? This thing's pretty sweet.
94.
94. I have a problem with my 94 Jeep today as well.
Oh yeah. Something about that year.
I know, right? Not bad about it.
What you thinking, Jose? You think this rolling start's gonna work?
I hope so. Should.
And if it does, if it doesn't,
we're just gonna have to bring the starter and come back tomorrow.
send it down the hill. Hey, you got full coverage, right? Insurance claim. It's stolen.
Yeah, someone left in the ditch out here in the park.
Camera now. It'll be on YouTube Monday.
Just make sure the agent doesn't see it.
I didn't sign anything, right?
Shit, you did sign a waiver here. Shit.
What do you have, Sharon?
It's not starting. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. He turns it off.
No, the key falls out. All he did was just unplug and plug back to GoPro.
Yeah.
Let me turn it off. Try that again.
Oh, your tester's still there, dude.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I was wondering what that was hanging down. I went to a little test line hanging.
I ain't got much to offer, but I can offer you a free beer.
Hey, turn it off now.
Oh yeah. Get out of the way.
Pretty quick doing it.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys a lot.
Nice. Hey, thank y'all so much.
Appreciate it.
Don't kill it. Carry it right to the front.
Oh, he left it on.
Okay.
Turns off out of habit.
This y'all's channel right here?
Yeah.
Dirt with Perks.
Yeah. So check it out.
Shout out to them.
We post every Monday. Or you want
Yeah.
to follow us out so we can show you how to get out?
Either way,
Because we can turn around any time.
yeah, as long as I don't turn it off, I think I'm good.
That's it. Well, you gonna play some more, or you gonna?
My place is a little bit more. You guys came out all this way just for that. I don't want to ruin their fun, you know?
Okay, well,
But-
if you kill it, if it dies,
I'll make sure I don't turn it off.
yeah.
No, we might make our way out now.
Because if you kill it, it'll be all over again. Henry, you want to buy a ring?
I'm thinking about it, but I'd rather have a F-150.
Honestly, yeah.
Shit, guys. Just trying to figure out this track.
Yeah, do a lap first. And then
Yeah, we're doing a warm-up. We're doing a warm-up lap first before I start hammering on this because I don't know this track at all.
Fuck it. What are you, pussy?
Oh, fuck it. I ain't no pussy.
Yeah, send it.
What do you think, Jose?
I'd say send it.
Send it? Alright. So we got a little sharp.
Oh, damn.
It's a sharp right, yeah. Okay, got a sharp left. I like that. How did he rip it in this Denali? Holy shit. Oh,
See, that one's one of those. Oh, look at that.
Side by side.
I'll probably put my seatbelt on there.
Yeah, you'll be flying right into me. Chill out. Oh no, don't.
Like you don't like big mixes in front of your dash.
What's the calendar number 1 over here?
Oh, and then this sharp ass turn.
Yeah, that might be one of the ones you want to go slow on. There you go.
There we go, because I got stuck here earlier doing that. This, I gotta go slow.
A little slow. You need momentum though.
I can't see shit, dude.
Oh, sharp right, sharp right, sharp right.
You can rip it a little bit, but you can't go too fast.
These ones you'll topple over.
We're gonna
So
spin
you all these
out.
sharp ass turns, you can't really rip it too hard.
Yeah.
So you're in like a side by side. Yeah, side by side is really fun out here.
Okay, so these parts is moderate, but that other part over there, I can kind of rip it
There's a
through.
little loop right here, I think.
Yeah. My coin's gonna go fine when I start ripping. Should probably move it somewhere else. Or just put it down in the cup holder.
Okay, well.
We hold on to all the coins.
I don't know.
Mighty suspicious.
Mighty suspicious, if you ask me.
I like holding on to the coins, man.
That's a lot of game here.
Oh,
And yeah, this is probably what he was talking about. That little drop there.
Yeah, let me right in the bed.
You're right in the
You
bed.
could disappear. Man, where does that go?
we'll strap you on the top.
Oh yeah, you do have those gray straps to tie you up.
Hell yeah. Don't need to tie me up. I'll just grab one in and just hose down.
Almost 200 acres. Yeah, 3 stitches. You'll get there. Not too much fun. I'd roll your windows up.
wrong way. Shit.
Dude, y'all fucking dumb fucks going the wrong way.
Fucking god, bro.
Jeremy gonna yell at him, man.
Holy shit.
No, the dust is fucking crazy too.
Bro, they just fucked up my speed run.
Yeah.
More time in this fool. I don't see two people die right there. Right. Oh yeah, he's telling me. Oh no, maybe not. Get on anything you can. Get some airtime. Send it.
And we're back.
Oh shit. You got like 330 on that.
Or understeer.
All right, guys, we're gonna rerun that again.
Let's get a Subi and bring it out here.
Let's do it.
Let's
Bring your Type R out here.
Bring the Type R here, rally
Got a rear
it.
diff on it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Damn, what y'all think of that lap?
That's pretty good.
I've seen better.
Damn, okay.
Take a little lighter on the acceleration. You won't lose so much traction. That's it.
I say just heavy foot, man, on the XL all the way.
Are they
Gas
still
pedal.
coming backwards? They're still coming
Yeah,
backwards.
they're still
Is
going
that backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's backwards.
Coming towards us.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, is that Jeremy?
No, that's someone else.
Hey, this a one way.
That's backwards. That's backwards.
Oh shit.
Damn, that's a nice Can-Am.
It is.
Yeah, that was fun.
How much do you think I ran? Like 15, 20K?
Probably 20.
Yeah, I heard because these other people are coming too.
Yep. Let's go.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
past them.
Okay.
Good job.
Hold on to your shit.
Let's go through that fence.
Shut up.
Okay, he's locked in. I see he's cutting through the trails again. Watch, he's gonna be right here when you cut through for dumbass.
Look at that corner. Look at that corner.
Sharp left.
Look at. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm already thinking for you to be one of these sides by sides.
You're this gonna side by side? A lot easier.
I said how much I already think it'd be to build one.
Oh, what?
The suspension work much.
They're pretty much comfortable. Honestly,
Oh,
that thing came
shit.
pretty.
No, I'm saying we gotta build one like from scratch, like a
Custom
go-kart
made.
type shit. Yeah.
It'd be a lot.
With a tube
Honestly.
frame and shit.
It might be more expensive than just buying one.
Yeah, I can see that.
Like you buy one and then you deck it out however you want, but building one from scratch, man, takes money.
All the suspension work, right?
Yeah, all the suspension work, engine work. You need a custom built engine mount and everything, like frame and everything.
Makes sense.
The frame would be the most expensive part,
20K for a Can-Am, that's crazy. Maybe Polaris.
or it's 10K for a custom frame and then another 10K for engine, suspension.
Yeah, but at that point you're building like a super side by side.
Yeah, you do it right.
Yeah. Versus like a, because like you know how you can just build a shitty go-kart for like $300?
Yeah.
You can't really do that with the side by side at all.
Or we're just taking a fucking Miata or something
Yeah, that would be fun out
and
here.
just chop it up.
They got those two frame Miatas you can build up. Yeah, right now.
Take a Miata, chop it up, take the body off, lift it, and bring it out here. Put a roll cage on it.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah. Now we gotta find a piece of shit Miata.
Or a Ranger.
Yeah. It's just the Ranger's a lot bigger car still. It's still a tiny truck, but compared to
Where's mine? Where's mine?
Miata,
That's what I was talking about right there.
Nice, nice.
Look it, look it.
Sharp left.
Now you got your co-pilot over here.
Left, right, left.
It's like the rally racing
Yeah, that's what I'm
co-pilot.
saying. You can get the
Left
clip.
4,
Cut the curve.
left 4, left 4, right 2.
As fun as it would look to do rally driving, I don't think I could do it, dude.
What's up?
It's as fun as it would look to do rally driving, I don't think I could
I
do
would
it.
love to do it.
I don't think I could.
You be my co-pilot.
I think I got right.
I should try to do a trade.
Right 2. You said right. Sorry, I meant
Oh,
left.
fuck. Wait, hold on.
Oh,
As we die, I
you
hit one of
good?
these.
Yeah, I definitely couldn't go this fast in my Explorer.
Shit.
But it could go pretty fast, honestly.
That's good.
He's smiling at us.
Shit. We hit 320.
Yeah. S shape too?
Yep.
Try to keep that a little straighter. I think we're coming up to it, right?
Yeah.
Left, make it straight,
There you go.
straight. Good.
Look right, slow down. There you go. That's a lot better. No more fish telling.
We're sliding. Good. All right.
Wait, just slam Henry into the door.
Whoops.
Oh, you went wide.
Boom, lap.
Oh, nice.
All right, Jose, what do you think? Think of today, minus your exploder.
I'm not worried about it.
Not worried
It'll
about
be
it.
picked up in a couple minutes.
All right.
We still had fun. We had a good time.
Easy fix.
Cool little park here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you think, Henry?
Huh?
What you think?
What?
Fun park.
Shit, man, I was playing Clash Royale the whole time.
Shit. All right. Clash Royale. I forgot. Past 2 parks. Clash Royale.
Feels alright, I guess. Signal sucked here more.
Shit. I think we lost signal completely on the Traverse Trail.
They gotta throw some cell phone towers here or something.
Really didn't play Clash Royale.
That's fine. It's the shit they need to work on. It's cool though.
Yeah, for real. Maybe need Walmart here.
Right on this riverbank, that'd be nice because they can dump all the trash in
The
there.
super Target. But next time, y'all, bring out the Beamer. It's almost boost season, I think.
Bring it out to the dirt trail.
Hell yeah, bring out the Beamer.
Beamer make it out here?
No.
I mean, all for it. Let's go.
Appreciate y'all watching.
So I think Henry's. No, never mind.
Oh,
Your
you can rally.
type car doesn't have the same lug pattern. Never mind.
It does have the same lug pattern.
Not as mine. As my Explorer. Never mind.
Yeah, throw your wheels on my car.
Someday, well, my truck